Welcome back to my channel. Davinci here. Eyebrows are halfway done. As you guys can see, this one looks a bit more boxy than this one, but it's not like we're getting ready to go anywhere because we're on house arrest. Today, guys, we are going to be doing a full face using new makeup. I'm excited. So I'm gonna just use my sample. You guys, pick up on the samples. Well, right now, the stores are closing. This is crazy. I don't know about you guys, but nothing has ever been so serious as to it is now. You know, like, take it serious, wash your hands, stay home, love your loved ones. But yeah, this is like really serious. So I thought, why not come do some makeup, brighten your day? Because I don't know about you guys, but I've been literally looking at YouTube because there's nothing on TV. So I've been looking at YouTube and there's been nothing. So here I am giving you some content. But I'm gonna be trying, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be trying the Pretty Fresh, what is this, ColourPop in the color medium dark 15W. So yeah, I got this a long time ago. I got this on Valentine's Day and here I am finally using it. Ooh, I don't know if this, I put on a lot too. You know, I can always make things work, but it looks a bit reddish for my skin. This is just like that Maybelline that I did a review on. This one looks like it comes with a bigger tube. So this is more on the natural. As you guys can see, I've done half my face. It looks pretty good. If you guys are out of work, let us know in the comment sections that you don't have to go to work. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. If you guys got bills to pay, as you guys know, I bought a house. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, watch my videos, because times is getting crazy. Share videos with a friend. Help me help you. I was telling myself, look at me, I was telling myself. No, seriously, I was telling myself when I hit 1 million subscribers, and in one of the months, if I hit $1 million within the months of hitting my 1 million subscribers, I'm gonna pay 10 people's rent or mortgage. And that's what I wanna do for you to be helpful. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Are any of my viewers have the coronavirus right now? I hope not, but do you? If you do, how do you feel? I'm gonna just take my Rihanna in the color 330 because I need additional coverage regardless. You might not think I do. People are like, you have such good skin, and I'm like, thank you. Like, for the most part, I do have good skin. When I'm putting on makeup, especially for like a video, I like it to be flawless. And right now, I'm just getting ready to look good for my man. We on quarantine, and I'm gonna go out there, and my daughter's gonna see me and start slapping my makeup off. Y'all, she is 7 months. I think I should do an update with her. Okay, I think this is cool. It's not full coverage, but it's coverage enough for you to look flawless, for you to look pretty. If you're not into super full coverage, heavy kind of makeup, because this is light, fresh, pretty fresh, as it says. I got more coverage using a beauty blender. If you want to use your fingers, you might get less of a coverage. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. Like, this reminds me of this, but what has more? This has 43 millimeters and this has 30. So, but yeah, this works well. This Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer is giving me a lot. So I'm gonna just bring this same foundation concealer under my eyes, just to kind of conceal any dark spots that I may have. Then I'm gonna go on top with my Fenty in the shade 300 to contour thy nose or to not. So now we're going in with the shade 300, which is the shade that's going to brighten up everything. And I put a hefty amount, as you guys can see. We're gonna put a hefty amount. Be sure to follow your girl on IG. I've been a lot more active. All right, boom. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. No particular reason why, but you know, low-key, from using that Real Technique sponge to this beauty blender, the Real Technique sponge is a bit softer. And hold the tea, hold the phone. You guys, I found this is Olivia Rose. It comes with like a bajillion brushes. I mean, sponges, and they are soft as hell. I opened up the package when I was at the store. I found them at DD's Discount. If you don't know what a DD's Discount is, go on ahead, open Google Maps now and see if you have a DD's Discount close to you. Found those sponges and I opened it up because I said, I'd be damned to go home and these sponges are hard as rocks, you know? And it was $11.99. But do you guys see that wig back there? I did the watercolor method on the wig and I'm pleasantly surprised. That was one of my blonde wigs. I can't believe I did that. And I'm still trying to debate if I want to put a You see that I have a hanging plant now. I'm debating if I want to put a LED sign right there. Let me know if I should put an LED sign there. Today we're going to set our under eyes with, we normally use our Rihanna. We're gonna save Rihanna for an important day. We're gonna use our Airspun, which is $5.99 at Target. And we're gonna literally tap it into the skin. Yeah, I'm gonna take my Cover FX powder. Y'all know I love this powder, and I'm going to just kind of dab it on my face for additional coverage because I like to be covered. Over here, I gotta be extra careful because I have a tattoo on my face, right? Crazy. This brush is low-key making it look dry. I don't know. Can you guys finesse your makeup? Like whenever anything looks a mess, I normally can finesse it. But yeah, I don't really like this brush to do what I just did. That's nothing that our spray won't fix. I've been using this Morphe spray in TBH. I like my rose water spray more. This is like $30 and this is $18, but this feels like there's nothing in it, you know? And I don't know. Cause it's like they could be tricking me on how much product that I'm getting because it literally feels like there's nothing in it. So the bronzer, I still have the highlight down my nose, which is cool. I got Caramel Cutie. So yeah, I just kind of put it, and I put a bunch. Low key because your girl is OD. I've been loving the Tarte. It's like this brown one, and then I just put this lighter one on top. But I like brown because, as you guys know, I like to contour. And I like to continue the contour party. This patchiness is kind of patchy because it's really, this setting powder is really bright. Highlight, and we're just using Hustler Baby by Rihanna. I always use this. Recently, I've been starting off at my cheekbones, so I've been kind of smiling and then bringing it up and circling it around. Then we'll bring it here. So for today's eyes, we're going to be using the Carly Bible palette by Anastasia because it was on sale. And my mother-in-law knows how much I love makeup, so she hooked your girl up. So yeah, we're gonna just use our little Anastasia brush it comes with. We're going to start off with the shade Chai. Ooh, so it kicks back a lot. I don't have any primer on my lid. My primer is on its way. I got the P. Louise base. I'm gonna just follow the bottom with that same Chai color. Next, we're gonna go on with Cindy, which is a more orangey shade, just to kind of liven up the look. I think we could just take the same brush, we'll see. We're gonna just go on with that shade Moo. Okay, so the lash glue is drying, but the wings went from Adam Levine to Jay-Z so fast. Nose highlight, I normally just take my finger, same Rihanna, do the tip, and I'll just do right here. We're going to just take that and highlight our inner eye. Let's set our face. I told you I've been using this, don't know how much I like it, but I've been using it. So this is a final look of me trying out new makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to stay safe. Unless you're trying to be a rebel, don't be a rebel. You guys, this is serious. Stay in the house, watch my YouTube videos, share them with a friend, and I'll catch you guys in that next video, which will probably be the day after tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so today's OOTD going absolutely nowhere. Got on these glasses, LV shirt, totally my husband's, he gave it to me. Got on a Gucci pack. Got a little purse and some Dickies and some Nautica shoes. I'm going very police officer vibes today. Don't I look like a police officer today?
Another motherfucking bitch try me. They gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jan Beyonce. If